How to stop Chrome from blocking downloads. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can stop Chrome from blocking downloads. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Chrome. So once you're on this page, hit towards the top right and tap on the three line or three dot icon and click on it. From this menu bar, go to the settings and click on it. Once you land on your settings, navigate to your left hand side here, click on privacy and security. Under privacy and security, now again click on security and the option will get expanded. And here under safe browsing, if you have selected standard protection or enhanced protection, so this is the reason why your Chrome is blocking you from the downloads. So in order to remove that, here you have to go with no protection. And if you select this one, here your Chrome will not protect you against dangerous website downloads and extension. Your safe browsing settings in other Google products won't be affected. So if you don't want your Chrome to block you from downloads, here you have to select this no protection. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.